Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials and then immediately begin. Open Instagram, confirm you're logged into the exact account you want to link, and then install or open Threads. Once done, tap the profile menu in Threads. The app will ask to connect to Instagram. Allow it. Make sure permissions for account access are granted so the apps can share credentials. This step links identities. It saves you repeating logins and recreates followers and profile continuity between the two platforms. You'll now authorize deeper syncing between Threads and Instagram. When prompted, choose Continue as your Instagram username to grant Threads access to your profile and followers. This is how follower relationships transfer. Then, make deliberate choices on sharing settings. Decide if Threads mirrors your Instagram posts, profile details, and whether to pull follower suggestions. Once selected, allow contact sync so Threads can suggest people you may already know. This lets you maintain a consistent audience and reduces. Finish by verifying the link. Open Threads settings, view the connected account section, and confirm Instagram appears. Once confirmed, test by posting a short update and checking follower visibility. If sync doesn't show, log out of both apps and log back in. That forces token refresh. Make sure you clear app cache and restart your device if that fails. If things still go wrong, uninstall and reinstall Threads, or try connecting from another device. This usually resolves stubborn authorization bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.